If you're looking for a really quick 10-minute yoga class to help you stretch out your back, you got a stiff back, a sore lower back, whatever it may be, this is for you. So we're going to do a 10-minute yoga sequence here that is really going to help you focus in on relaxing your back, getting rid of some of that tension, and just chilling the fuck out. Okay. So if you're new here, my name is Heather. I make videos about yoga for women over 40 who are just over it. And so we're going to start today in a comfortable seated position on your mat, on your floor, on your couch, on your bed, wherever it is that you might be. You can come into a comfortable seated position, whatever that is for you. Maybe you want to place blocks under your knees. Maybe you want to extend your legs out long in front of you. And just take a moment to settle in and close your eyes or soften your gaze. Relax your hands on your knees or on your mat or whatever is beside you. Release any tension in your hands. Bring awareness to your breath. Not changing it, just notice it. Paying attention to your inhale and your exhale. Wherever it is that you're joining me from today, notice both hips. Are they planted firmly on the ground, on your couch, on your bed, on the floor, wherever it is that you're joining? Lengthen your spine, shoulders are stacked over your hips. Take a moment to wiggle your jaw, release any tension, any of that pent-up stress, bullshit from the day. Relax your tongue away from the roof of your mouth, maybe wiggle it out. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Maybe use your fingertips just to lightly massage around your eyebrows and then underneath your eyes, very gently. Working to relax those muscles, maybe massage the side of your jaw and onto your neck. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs. Fill your chest. Really big inhale. And exhale it out through your mouth. Sigh it out. Deep inhale. Don't be afraid to expand the belly. We're not holding it in here. We're not trying to fit into skinny jeans or into a bikini. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs. Fill your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Deep breath in through your nose, fill your belly, fill your ribs, fill your chest. Hold and exhale, sigh it out. Inhale, circle sweep your arms up and overhead. Reach up high for the sky. Shoulders come down away from your ears. Exhale, place your left palm onto your right knee. Your right palm comes to the mat behind you. Gaze over to the right, maybe gaze over your right shoulder. Notice if your left hip popped up off the ground. Reconnect your left hip to the ground. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale. Inhale, reach both palms up overhead. Spine is nice and long. Exhale, twist open over to the left. Bring your right palm to your left knee. Left palm comes down to the mat beside you. Gaze over to the left, maybe over your left shoulder. Notice if your right hip popped up off the ground. Inhale, reach up high to the sky. Exhale, twist open over to the right. Inhale to center, reach up high. Exhale over to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, reach over to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, reach over to the left. Inhale, reach up back to center. Exhale, plant your right palm on the mat beside you. Left palm reaches up and overhead. You might feel this on your left side body. Bring your left shoulder back, your left elbow back. Maybe gaze up towards your fingertips. Did your left hip pop up off the ground? Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, reach up to center. Exhale, bring your left palm down to your mat over to the left side of your body. Reach your right palm up and overhead. Notice if your right hip popped up off the ground. Can you bring your right shoulder and your right elbow back just a little bit? Maybe you gaze up towards your fingertips. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, come back up through center. Exhale, bend over to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale, bend over to the left. Reach your right palm up and overhead. Inhale, reach up towards the sky. Exhale, bend over to the right. Inhale, reach up high to the sky. Exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale. Exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale, reach your palms up to center. Exhale, bring your palms to the top of your neck, to the low side of your head. Inhale to gaze up towards the ceiling. Press your heart open. Press your shoulders open. Your elbows come back. Arch into your back. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward. Bring your chin to your chest. Bring your elbows forward. Dome into your back. Inhale. Gaze up towards the ceiling. Arch into your back. Exhale. Bring your chin to chest. Elbows press forward. Inhale, gaze up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale, gaze up, press your heart open. Exhale, bring your chin to chest. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, release your palms down onto your mat. Extend your legs nice and long in front of you. Shake your legs out. Release any tension that you might feel in your body. Extend your left leg long, bend your right knee, bring your right ankle over your left knee into a figure 4 shape here. You might stay right here, or you might bring your left foot in underneath your right, and you could place a block right here as well, okay? So inhale to lengthen your spine, reach your arms up high to the sky. Exhale, hinge at your hips, hinge forward, release your palms down to your mat. Notice when you feel the stretch. And then exhale, bring your chin to your chest, release the back of your neck, relax your chin, relax your jaw. Breathe in. Breathe out. And if you have your left leg extended long, you might, as we work into this stretch, want to try bringing your left foot underneath your right knee. As you come into, as your muscles just start to relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, come back up through neutral. Extend both legs long in front of you. Shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shaking bacon, right? All right. Place your left leg long. Sorry, your right leg long. Take your left ankle, place it over your right knee into a figure 4 shape. Okay. And you might stay right here. This might feel different from the other side. Totally okay. You might leave your leg extended long. You might bend your right knee, bringing your right foot underneath your left knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips. Reach your palms forward till you feel the stretch. Then relax your head, relax your neck, lower your chin. Gaze comes down towards your mat. This should not be intense. This should feel good. It should be a good stretch. You might feel this on the left side of your back. You might even feel it in your left hip. Maybe, maybe not. Breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, come back up to neutral. Exhale, extend your legs long in front of you. Shake them out. Bring your feet in. Plant your feet down on the bottom of your mat here. Wiggle your knees side to side. Relax your back. Relax your lower back. Relaxing your hips. And shake it out a little bit more. All right. So that is a nice stretch that I like to do to just relax my back. I've been sitting all day dealing with stress at work, whatever it might be. You can do this sequence at any time. Bookmark this video. Do it again. Do it over and over again. You're going to find it different each time. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then share this video with somebody who you think might find it helpful. And I'll see you soon.